Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, hello, my name is Shali. Starting with our Morphe concealer, we're gonna be prepping our eyelids. Usually when I'm doing colorful looks, I go to my pillowies, but because we're going settle, we're gonna be taking our concealer that we use in our under eye. So this is the palette we're going to be using, the Orgy Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's all matte and neutral colors. This one is called Booby Trap. So with a flat brush, all I'm doing is creating the shape. As you guys see, I stop midway of my crease because at this point we don't know what we're doing. All I know is that I wanted something quick and easy, but also look like I put in the work. Okay, so now we're just taking a fluffy brush and blending out the edges. So once you're done blending what we already have, we're gonna be taking the same shade and we're just going to be intensifying everything. Here it's all preference, so you could deepen it up however you like. So now I'm going to be taking my Scotch tape and I'm just going to create a wing, and of course we're going to be taking the same shade and just make sure we blow it out just a little bit. Okay, we're going to be applying our matte putty primer. I am super sorry if I keep going back and forth with my voiceovers and talk throughs, but mommy life, reality guys, the background noise sometimes can be hectic. So of course we're taking our Morphe concealer. I will leave the shade down below. Taking the e.l.f. CC Cream foundation. Taking my Real Techniques brush and just blending this in. And with my Real Techniques brush, I'm going to be blending my under eye with very light pressure. I'm going to be taking my AIRSPON powder. So with my Real Techniques powder brush, I'm going to be setting with light pressure. Before you set, babies, make sure you are blending the creases because you don't want to jump in with your powder and set your creases, because then it's going to be very noticeable. Okay, taking of course my Morphe contouring palette, and I'm going to be taking these two shades right here, my go-to. And guys, don't get scared. Sometimes we can look hella pale because of the translucent powder. This is where our bronzer comes in handy, but remember, when we set everything up, everything melts into our skin. First, we're going to jump into blush, and we're going to be taking the Laura Getter. Taking my concealer, and this is the Pillowies in Blank Canvas. We're going to be adding this to the waterline, so like that it can open up my eyes just a little bit. Okay, and if you're doing a colorful look and you don't have liner, you can also do this technique here and just add the color right on top to set it. Artist Couture, of course. Summer Haze. Jumping into lips, we're going to be taking my favorite lip liner, which is called Trendsetter from Morphe, and we're just going to be adding this all over. I cannot put this down, guys. For lipstick, we're going to be taking Live Glam. So fly. The finish of this lip combo, so in love. Okay, look at how simple and quick and easy this makeup look turned out to be. Like, what?
These used to be mine, Mom.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I will definitely appreciate it. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.